Halloween is right around the corner. Time for the creepy creeps, goosebumps, and candies. If you haven't thought about it already, it's time to start planning. Everything from decor to costumes. The sooner you start planning, the better and cheaper. In this video, we are going to tell you 5 ways to celebrate Halloween on a budget. Welcome to Streamline, the video and podcast series brought to you by Line, the financial network that helps active working professionals to save, spend, plan, and protect their finances. And before we start, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Number 1. Turn your old clothes into Halloween costumes. Skip the store hunt for a costume. Instead, save yourself some time and money by looking through the corners of your closet for something you can turn into a Halloween costume. You could throw on a bright shirt with shorts, sandals, shades, and a sunscreen nose that will give you a tourist look. You could even throw on a black scarf as a cape to look like a vampire. And with a touch of goth makeup, you will look like one. Number 2. Chuck the candy. You don't have to waste money on buying bags of fun-sized candy, which may or may not be enough. Swap the candy for stickers, spider rings, or glow-in-the-dark bracelets. The best part is, you can save leftovers for next year. Number 3. Don't waste your pumpkin. You know what? There's more your pumpkin can do for you on Halloween than just sit on your window as an orange lantern decor. Make it a budget-friendly Halloween pumpkin. You can puree your pumpkin and add it to a pasta dish, roast the seeds, make a planter, or even a pumpkin face mask. Then there's also the pumpkin spice lattes. Don't waste your orange gourd leftovers. Number 4. Halloween-themed food. Hosting a party? A great way to save money is to make all of the Halloween-themed food. This may take a tad bit of your time and require planning, but will do your wallets some extra good. Moreover, it's the best way to add your own personal touch to your party. And your options for your creative food ideas are pretty limitless. The best part is it will save you quite a bit of money too. Number 5. Simple is better, less is more. Keep it simple, always. Remember that simple is usually better. You don't need complicated games that require plenty of supplies to have a good time. Pull out some old classics, like pinning the tail on a donkey or a spider on the web, because it's Halloween. Simple, but a whole lot of fun. We are at the end of this video, but since you stayed with us, here's a well-deserved bonus tip. Don't buy it, DIY it. DIY is easy, but where do you find raw materials for cheap? Dollar stores and thrift shops will work well for you. We know those motion sensor decorations are neat, catch the eye, and make the kids jump. But we'll pass on those prices. Go to dollar stores and find seasonal, minimalist decor for just a few bucks. And don't forget the raw materials you need to make decor for yourself. Those were the 5 ways to have a budget-friendly Halloween. Here's a quick recap. Number 1. Turn your old clothes into Halloween costumes. Number 2. Chuck the candy. Number 3. Don't waste your pumpkin. Number 4. Halloween-themed food. Number 5. Simple is better, less is more. That's all we have in this video. Tell us in the comment section. How are you planning to save money this Halloween? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and learn with Streamline.